So far, we've learned to modify a box by cutting into it, but we can also change a box by adding to it. For example, let's say we wanted to add a smaller box to the top of this box. Start by drawing the front plane of the new box. Connect the corners to the vanishing point. And finally, extend the vertical lines in the back upward to close out the backplane. This one is pretty simple. We're essentially just drawing one box on top of another. By the way, if you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to check out the full Drawing Fundamentals course at mydrawingtutorials.com/basics. It's designed to teach a complete beginner all the basic skills they'll need to become successful at drawing. Okay, back to the lesson. Next, suppose we want to add a ramp to the side of this box. First, extend the horizontal lines out as far as you want the ramp to go. Let's say we want the ramp to end there. Connect that point to the vanishing point. This will give us the base of the ramp. Then, let's say we want the ramp to be up this high. Connect that point to the vanishing point. This will give us the top edge of the ramp. Now connect the top corners with the bottom corners. And there's our ramp. Now let's say we wanted to add a ramp to the front of the box. We'll take the depth lines and extend it forward. Because they're coming closer to the viewer, the distance between them will actually get bigger. And let's say we want the ramp to end right there. We can indicate that with a horizontal line. Furthermore, let's say we want the ramp to go up this high. We can mark that with a horizontal line as well. And connect the corners to complete the shape. And I'll shade in the rest of the shape. Next, let's say we wanted to add a triangle to the top of this box, as if we were drawing a roof on a house. We can find the center using the X method. Then draw a vertical line up to determine how tall the peak should be, and draw in the front plane. Connect the peak to the vanishing point. Now, to find out where the roof should end, we'll need to take this point where the vertical line intersects the front plane and connect it to the vanishing point. And where this depth line intersects the back plane, draw a vertical line up, and that's where the roof will end. Finally, let's add a platform to this house. Draw in an X on the bottom plane. But this time, rather than using it to find the center, we'll extend this X past each of the corners. Connect the two corners at the front with a horizontal line. Then connect this corner to the vanishing point. And where it intersects the extended corner in the back, draw a horizontal line across. Now connect this right corner back to the vanishing point. We really only need to draw a tiny segment of this line, so it's fine to estimate the angle. This gives us the top plane of our new platform. To add some thickness to this platform, extend the vertical lines downward and draw in the front plane. Connect the corner to the vanishing point, and we're all done. So that's how you can add to a box to create a variety of shapes. Rewind this video and draw these examples yourself. Then do a bunch of your own versions. You can even do different combinations of adding to a box and subtracting from it to create all kinds of different shapes. Well, have fun experimenting, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, make sure to check out the full Drawing Fundamentals course at mydrawingtutorials.com/basics. You'll get tons of additional lessons and step-by-step exercises and learn things like how to draw anything accurately from observation, how to construct and draw objects from your imagination, how to shade realistically, and a whole lot more. So if you're ready to improve your drawing skills, head over to mydrawingtutorials.com/basics or click the link below.